Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix reply option is missing on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem is to open up Play Store and then type in Instagram. Now hit search. So as you see here, it says open, which means I already have the latest version of Instagram. Now, if yours says update, then just tap on update and wait till the app is fully up to date. Now, the second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go out from here and open up our settings. Now we're gonna scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now we're gonna choose the second option, manage apps. Again, scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. Now tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. So this is gonna delete if there's any bugs or fix any issues in the app. Now the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open up Instagram. And now we're gonna tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, we're going to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on help. Report a problem. And now you can briefly explain your problem and what's not working. You can also add a screenshot that shows that the reply option is missing, and then you can hit send at the top right corner and wait till your problem is solved. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.